Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if we do a roundup of the Patch Tuesday today. First of all, no malicious removal tool update, no .NET framework update, possibly meaning that there's no changes and nothing is going to be released. Or it does happen sometimes that they are released either later in the day or at a different date. But it's also possible that there was just nothing to update but the main Windows. Now, these are mandatory once again. A few things I want to talk about is if you update your system today, of course, if you haven't installed the bug fixing updates, they're installing. One of the two major bugs, basically, for the bug fixing updates that apply today. If you change your motherboard, you could not activate Windows again. Now that has been fixed, where if you change the motherboard, you'll be able to activate Windows once again. The other thing about the update is if you use a USB IPP printer or Internet Protocol printer, they fixed that bug for that problem. Some have asked me if they had fixed the problem that arise with scanners and some of the different types of scanner printers and so on, the all-in-ones. And I do not believe that is fixed. I think it will happen only in, I guess, January's bug fixing updates. So the total updates for all Microsoft products is 71 security flaws. Out of that, there's 44, 45 into Windows 10 and 11. There's a lot of critical flaws, which is very important to update. But when we look at the critical flaws, Microsoft did say one of the critical flaws is actually being exploited in the wild. All the other critical flaws, although very, very important to fix, have not been exploited in the wild from what they know. We do not know a lot about the one that's actually exploited because Microsoft just wants to keep quiet. That means that they don't want to start saying what it is and how it is exploited because other bad guys might actually find a way to do it. It has to do with a vulnerability in the Windows Common Log File System driver, and it's actually a flaw that is elevation of privilege vulnerability and gives, of course, system privileges to the attack. It was discovered by the advanced research team at CrowdStrike, and so this is, of course, something to check out. Many other companies have issued some updates. Adobe with many updates for different products, including Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, and so on. Do make sure that you update your Adobe products. And, overall, this is, of course, the last Patch Tuesday, the last updates for the month of December. So we'll be quiet until we get into January, which means that in January, if we do look at January, not here. Okay, this is not what I want. Anyways, if we look into January, the next Patch Tuesday update will be pretty late in January. Tuesday the 14th, almost mid-month. Tuesday the 14th of January 2025, which means approximately 2 weeks later in the last week here. Until the 31st, we'll have the bug fixes for Windows 10 and Windows 11 that are coming back. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.